Hello students, again we are coming back to our video classes. So for today I will talk about Spearman's correlation coefficient. Okay, in this case correlation coefficient is measured by considering the rankings. Okay, see the rankings of the observations. Okay, and there after we take the difference among the rankings. So the rank differences is usually denoted by di. So the Spearman's rank correlation is R equal to 1 minus 6 summation of di square divided by n multiplied by n square minus 1, where di is rank differences and n is number of observations. That means here in this case we have to rank the observations from the highest value to the smallest value. Okay, from the highest value to the smallest value. So for the highest value we have to put it 1, second the second highest value, and third the third highest value, and so on. So after we take the okay, suppose you are given this kind of questions, that is the marks of the first year and marks of the second year, and then you are asked to find out the correlation coefficient between these two observations. Okay, marks of first year and marks of second year. So how to solve this kind of problems? First, let x be the marks of first year and y be the marks of the second year. So I already arranged it in the form of a table. So x values are 38, 51, and so on, and then y values are 45, 53, 36, 51, and 60. So here our next step, okay, our next step is, I always ask you to write first the formula so that you won't make any mistake, because from the formula itself you will come to know what you need to do next, or what is the next step. That's why I always force you to write first the formula. So now what is the next step? The next step is we have to find the difference in ranking. Di means difference in ranking. Okay, so how to rank these observations? Say we have to do it like ranks in x, okay, and then rank of y, or rank in y. Got it? Rank of y. So rank in x, what is the highest value? Highest value is 65, so put 1 on 65. And then the next is 53, and next is 51, put 3, and then 42, that is 4, and then the last one is 38. Okay, so you have to rank from the highest value to the smallest value. And then rank in y is 1, where is second? 51, where is the third? Third is 51, and then fourth is 38, then fourth is 45, and fifth is 36. Okay, now we got the ranks in variable x and ranks in variable y. Now we can take the difference in ranking. So 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1 equal 1. So now we can take what the formula needs is total sum of the di square. Now we need to find out di square. That means we have to square di. So we square di. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are, so in negative, if you multiply them we come positive. Okay, now we can take the total sum, which is equal to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now easily we can apply in the formula, which is equal to 1 minus 6 multiply 8, and here is how much? 5 observations, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so and here is 5, so 5 square minus 1, okay, equal to 1 minus 6 8s are 48, then 5. Remember, whenever you have some value or some inside the bracket, then you have first to open up the bracket. You open up the bracket, that means you have first you have to calculate the values which is inside the bracket. So once you calculate the value inside the bracket, then you can calculate it along with the outside bracket. Okay, so 5 25, because 5 square is 25 minus 1, so which is equal to 1 minus, again going step by step so that you won't get confused. I'll do it here, which is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 48. Okay, 48. Then here you'll get 24 multiply 5, you'll get 120. Okay, so that it becomes like this, 48 by 120. So here also don't get confused, you have to take LCM, or you can divide it directly, this 48 by 120, but you'll get some decimal. So I'll take LCM, which is the easiest one. You have to do that one. Okay, 72 by 120, which is equal to 0.60. so our coefficient of correlation is 0.60. Got it? So if you are asked to calculate rank correlation, remember, rank correlation, we measure it by considering the ranking of observation. We rank the observations or the values from the highest value to the lowest, marking in terms of first, second, third, and so on. It depends on how many observations you have. So having understood that problem, how to solve the problem, now this is your question. I want you to do at home this question. Okay, see you tomorrow again. Take care.